how to find square root of 196 by division method. Okay, at first make group. So make group from ones column to higher column. So this is your first group, this is your second group. Okay, now consider here a number whose square will be equal to 1 or less than 1, nearly less than 1. If you take here 1, look, 1 square equal to 1, that is, if you take here 1 square will be equal to 1. So 1 is our correct number. So this one must come to the quotient also. Now 1 times 1, 1, subtract 0. Bring down the next pair, 96. You need to write that same digit that you have taken in the quotient here and add. Here we have placed 1, so place the 1 under the divisor and add. We are getting 2. Now here you have to take here a number, okay, and multiply. You need to take here a number and you need to also multiply that number. This product will be equal to 96 or near to 96. So if you take here 4, then what will happen? Look, 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 96. So if you take here 2, then 2 times 4, right? 4. If you take here 4, then 24 times 4, that gives you 96. Subtract, you are getting here 0. You have taken here 4, so 4 will come here and add 8, 2. Since our divisor is 0, so we have nothing to do. Look, to check whether our square root 14 is correct or not, look at here. The double of 14 is 28. So we can say that the square root of 196 is 14 and this is correct.